Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start Classroom, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a video to your website. So what I'm going to cover in this one is we'll go to the online free site builder that you can use and practice on. We'll pick a template, we'll then select a video block, then we'll add an image, and then we'll add a YouTube video, and then right at the end I'll show you how it works live on the website. So to get started, what we'll need to do is find the site builder. So as you can see, we're on the classroom and the site builder is just here. And also I've just added the website learning area, but I'll talk about that just towards the end. So let's click on Site Builder Demo, and then that will bring this page up. And as you can see, you can click on this link here to find the free online site builder demo. Click there. That will then upload the different templates you can use. So in this case, we'll just use this one. You'll also get a welcome guide. We'll come out of that, and also the help center. And if you're sort of just learning and this is your first time on the site builder, if you need any assistance, then just drop me an email at the info@simplewebstart.com, and then I'll be able to help you out from there. So we'll come out of that, and then what we'll need to do is add a content block. So if we click on the plus sign, this will add the content block. You'll go to call to action, scroll down, and this is the block here. If we click on there, this will then add this block. You can change the text and the color and everything, but again, like I say, there is videos on the channel you can watch to do that. You need to choose an image. So when you come to this block here, click on choose an image. And if you like, say on the site builder online, then you can choose one of these pictures, or you can actually upload a file or image from your website and it will put it in here, and then you can use that one. In this case, we'll use a sunflower. And then what we'll need to do is add a URL. So if we just come over to this is a channel, like I say, these are all the videos. And what I've done is I've selected this video here. So this is the video. We'll copy the URL at the top. So you right click and copy. We can then go back to where we have the link. So if we just highlight that, right click, paste, that will put the URL for the YouTube video in. Save changes, and there you go, you've got your image. And then if you click on it, this will then make the video for you as well. So I'll just come out of that. So that's how you actually add a video to your website. And as I said, just at the beginning, we in the actual website, there's the new website learning area. So if we just click on that, and what I'm doing is I'm just putting real simple videos in here to help you navigate around the site builder. And the video that you're watching now, what I'll do to make things a little bit simpler and for you to be able to find it, I will add it down here for you. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.